Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring this stamp set called Lily of the Valley for the sentiment specifically. I have a rectangle here. The measurements are on the sticky note for your watching pleasure. This designer series paper or patterned paper is called Moonlit Flora. So I'm going to make 3 strips that are 1 inch a piece. So I'm cutting out 1 inch on twice to sort of have this paper be more like a triptych. I kind of showed last week a triptych in a different way, so here is another way. It's kind of fun. I have this. It's called Golden Glow, and it is one of the new in colors. It's lovely, and it's featured in this designer series paper. So you can see I have my Seal Plus adhesive on there, but I don't press it down 100%. So I do the right one, the left one, and then I do the middle one, and I do have to adjust the right one, so I just sort of push it out a little bit, so you don't press anything down until you're absolutely happy with the spacing, and then everything gets pressed down. Here is a little strip of the same color, the Golden Glow. What I did was put dimensionals on the back, and that is going to span the distance about, I would say, half an inch from the bottom. So this is just a card front, if you will. I will bring in the card base in a second. So this is a little sentiment piece. Now I used the Stylish Shapes dies, the smallest one, but if you don't have it, you can just cut a rectangle around the corners. I decided to use our basic black for this sentiment. I felt like the Golden Glow would have been too sort of soft, and well, you probably don't. Do you know my feelings about Mossy Meadow? I'm not fond of it. So it was either black or Golden Glow, and I chose not to. Anyway, here are some fussy cut pieces. So I had a little bit of that paper, designer series paper left over, and I fussy cut some of the flowers out. Now this sentiment piece goes on dimensionals, and I put a little fussy cut of flower bundle there, and I fussy cut another little flower bundle, and I'm putting it right next to it, but one is heightened and one is on dimensional. Well, one is on the sentiment piece and one is not. All right, so I'm trimming off their stems here, and then I will put the whole kit and caboodle on a 8.5 by 11 scored at 4 1/4 sized basic white card. And pretty much, you guys, that's the card for today. I will embellish it a little bit with some shimmering dots. That is a part of the Lily of the Valley, if you wanted to get the whole, all the components to that suite. But yeah, this is my share for today. So I'm going to leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. And of course, you guys, I have to do the inside of the card because that was my New Year's resolution. I fussy cut a little bit more out of that paper. And here we have a flower bunch and a little pretty moth. Anyway, thank you so very much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.